Hello, welcome to Lydia's Cooking Hacks. Today I'm making a surprise snack my kids absolutely love. It's called nut or coated groundnut. They have been asking me for it and now I'm finally making a big batch. So let's get right into it. First, I selected my groundnut carefully, remove any broken pieces or stones or even the rotten ones. I only want the best for this snack. I love to measure my groundnut before soaking, and that helps to keep the recipe measurements accurate. Now it's time to measure the rest of the ingredients. This recipe is for 6 cups of groundnuts, but today I am making a double of that. That is 12 cups of groundnuts. I mix all the dry ingredients together except the sugar. And then in a separate bowl, I mix the wet ingredients, now including the sugar. Make sure to mix thoroughly to get rid of any egg lumps. And then we want a smooth and even mixture. Here is where the work starts, and trust me, it's full of fun. Spray a small amount of the wet mix on the groundnuts and toss to coat. Then sprinkle some of the flour, mix and toss again. Use around 2 tablespoons for each per round and repeat. Wet, then toss, add flour and toss again until you use up all your mix. Look at that, is that not beautiful? Preheat your oil on the stove top. Frying is the most important part, so give it your full attention, okay? Add the coated nuts and turn them every few minutes for an even golden color. Once they are light brown, reduce the heat to low and finish cooking slowly. Need help with the soaking process? Leave a comment and I'll be happy to walk you through it. Cool your burger nuts or coated groundnuts on a wire rack. This lets air flow freely and keeps them super crunchy. You can use your sieve also to spread them around, or if you have anything, something like mat, something that would allow air to go through it, then I think that would work. Once it's completely cooled down, store in an airtight container to preserve that freshness and perfect crunch. And that's it. Delicious crunchy burger nuts. A snack my kids love, and I'm sure yours will too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lydia's Cooking Hacks for more fun recipes and kitchen tips.